Jesus Christ.
You too lying and too jealous. Me so cross, you're so fed up. A long time you want to cut. We can't stay, we can't leave.
Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Yo, this is a masterpiece. Listen, if you notice, I haven't done much music reviews of lately, and the reason is a lot of the music that's been coming out has been repetitive or uninspiring, to say the least. You know what I'm saying? When something like this comes across, God of mercy. Yo, anybody who's ever been in a relationship, now big people something this. Anybody who's ever been in a relationship, I'm not talking about no puppy love relationship. I'm talking about a relationship. Anybody who's ever been in a relationship, a domestic relationship, a live together, love you so much relationship, me can't leave but me can't stay relationship, you can so relate to, and you have to see this video. The link is right down there in the description. It is located on Vybz Kartel Radio on YouTube. Just click the link down there, sir, and go watch the video. You might want to watch the video before I do my review, right? That way you will have more to put in. So you can pause this right now, go watch the official video, the complete video, and then come back. Or you can listen to the review and then come back. Yo, Vybz Kartel, man, you are the greatest. No, I'm no go round the thing. And we've been saying that for the longest, but you just keep proving this over and over and over. That one, yeah. That one, yo. Listen, this is my review of the song and the video. The video connect, you know, man. Listen, alright, so Vybz Kartel in the video now, you must sing Sitya. Sitya. The official name of this is Then You and Me. It's an official short film. Not just a music video. It's a whole short film. Right? At Vybz Kartel Radio on YouTube. Simply a masterpiece. That one here I got there around for ages and ages to come. May I tell you? The man said, me heart you want rip out. Sitya. Sitya. And you know, when the video started and I saw the knife on the ground, 911, what's your emergency? I said, God have mercy. I wonder if some domestic violence thing going on. And you know, the man must have stabbed up the woman. Is he going to address like the whole heap a woman want to leave a man kill her off? Because that's something that's been happening so prevalently within our society of lately. And I thought that's what was going to happen. But no, this took a personal turn. Really personal. My heart you want to rip out. Sitya. Sitya. Right? So I saw the knife in the beginning, then I said, I have to watch the whole video because I want to see what happened with that knife. And it says something like a month earlier. And then, his first verse to the song. The people them you would die for. I'm going to say it a little bit different because I want everybody out there, even those who don't understand Patois, to understand this. You know, the people them you would die for. Are them quick to break your heart? Alright, the people them that you would die for, they're the ones that are quick to break your heart. Treat you like a light bulb. On and on and on and off, right? But what did I do you that was so cruel? Because you go out your way to hurt me, and I go out of my way to hurt you. We keep going around and around in this circle. No, this can't be love. This is surgery. You too lie, I'm too jealous. You too cross, I'm too fed up. Long time you want to leave. In Jamaica we say long time you want to cut. I can't stay, I can't leave. Long time you want to leave, but me can't stay neither, and still me can't leave either. One of those kind of relationships. This, first when I saw the video I said, okay, mature couple. And believe it or not, Kartel have enough video with enough young people and enough young body, 20-something-year-old girl and them something there in there. So obviously that wasn't what they were going for in this video. This was obviously speaking to the length of time that we've been together. Now you could be young and still have been with somebody for a long time. You can be 25 years old and you could have been with somebody since you were 14, 15 years old. You know what I mean? I say if you do the maths to them years there, that's many years out your life already. A lot of bonding has taken place over the years, and it could get to a point in that relationship where you're saying stuff like, you know, You say something to hurt me, I say something to hurt you. We go back and forth with this, going around and around in this vicious cycle. I want to leave, but I can't leave. I can't stay though. I don't want to stay, but I can't leave. And you want to leave, but you can't leave either. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I think the mature couple signified in this relationship. The bloody knife on the floor, that got me. The constant arguing over the simplest things. Like they wake up in the morning and the couple comes downstairs, right? You can relate if you've been in a one relationship. You could tell when your relationship is cracking up. When it's not glorious and it's about to fall apart, right? And you start arguing over things when that even makes sense. You've been together for a long time. Suddenly, the things that were always okay now become the biggest problems in the world. So it was funny to see in the video how them come downstairs in the morning. He looked like he's getting ready to go off to work, right? Have on him business, him shirt, dress attire, and his tie. And him come down. Obviously, she normally make him tea and everything. Attitude, early in the morning. She's talking about how you must snore loud all night. Last night, she couldn't even get no sleep. He's talking about not enough sugar in the tea. Lord, you couldn't put little sugar in the tea. Me can't get me tea, me can't get me tea. Me can't get the tea before the tea get cold. Like, you know, it's no love there anymore, but you still just can't let go. It's like an obsession. You know what I mean? You love, but you don't love no more. It's hard to explain. You know what I say? You been there before. Yo, I swear to God, if the video is a connect, go watch the video, man. Insecurities heighten. Doors open to let others in. And in comes Brother Solomon. Because all the time them argue, she's saying, you know what, I'm going to church. She put on her church clothes. She said, I'm not stay here, I'm gone. So, who's bringing her home from church now? Brother Solomon. And if you see it in the video, in the car, Brother Solomon, I rub down her leg. And she take him hand and take it off her leg. Like, listen, Brother Solomon, I'm a married woman. That's not what I'm trying to do. Thank you for carrying me home, though. Alright, you have a safe trip home yourself. She go inside. She don't mention these things to her husband. But he has some kind of inclination to something not going on. He looked through the window and, of course, insecurities have heightened. And it always happens like that. Anytime you're in a relationship, right, and you guys fight, and you fight, and the fighting their way, can't find a way out to get back to loving again. And she cut, or you cut. The one that remains is filled with insecurities now. And now he's seeing church brother drop her home. He's not thinking church brother dropping her home. He's thinking the reason why she's been fighting with me so much lately is because she's looking for a way out. And now this church brother drop her home. Me sure say that's going to lead to something if it hasn't lead to something already. You know what I'm saying? And in a sense, he's right, because hand reach upon her leg already, I rub it down, and she never mentioned that to him. Then his verse 2 says, people wait till when you're down to do you wrong. Them never did right. That means that they were never right. Them never did right from the first place. Them kind of people that wait till you're down to do you wrong. It's like sometimes you can say, you never loved me. You never had no love for me in the first place. You know what I mean? I say, this was an opportunistic relationship for you. Maybe you did see something where you want or something. But no love never there, so. That kind of thing. People wait till when you down to do you wrong. Them never did right. Made up excuses come suddenly. Like, bring up some things from 1999. Come on now. This are lyrics to your song, you know. So you go out of your way to argue. Cause you know me nah go call you. That is your signal for do what you want to do. When me start talk, you say me a evil. So you go out of your way to hurt me, and I go out of my way to hurt you. We keep going around and around in the same vicious cycle. No, this can't be love. This is surgery. Let's take it back. When him say, made up excuses come suddenly, like, bring up some things from 1999. You ever there and you and your lover argue, and next thing you hear, women love doing this stuff. Then pull some stuff from, yeah, that's why like last summer, one time, and you're like, we're in a 2019. past summer 2019 and she bring up stuff from summer of 2018 or summer of 2017. Yeah, remember? And this and that and that. And I said, John, no. Like, we think we did get past that, you know? And those things are stored and used opportunistically because she done pre. This is what he's saying in the song, you know. She is looking for a way out. She's looking for an excuse to take off, to go, to leave, to go do what she want to do. Because you know me not bother you. That's why he said, so you go out of your way to argue. Because you know, say, me not go call you. That is your signal to go do what you want to do. Right? And no matter how you try to patch up the argument, she don't want to patch nothing up. Her mind is already made up. Me I call Brother Solomon and we are go out later. And even when she lying to herself and saying, nah, I'm just go vibes out, you know. Brother Solomon sees opportunity. So in this short film, she starts a big argument and makes an excuse and uses it as an excuse to leave. Calls Brother Solomon to come pick her up, and guess what? When you're arguing in your relationship and you start talking outside of your relationship, looking outside for a resolution, then you know that they have a saying, and the saying goes, a shoulder to cry on usually becomes one woman said, when woman, if you're married, stay with your husband and work out your issues unless you really plan to leave. Last thing you need to do is to go rest your head on the next man's shoulder, talk about you, cry about your issues. Because you rest your head on them shoulder and them dick stand up. And then sit there, right? And the same thing vice versa for a man. If you and your woman are go through some things and that's who you really want to be with and you really want to work your relationship out, stay there and work it out. You're going to lay your head on another woman's shoulder, boy, you cry about your issues and her leg wide open. As it's like there's a button where they're on the crying shoulder, and as you hit that button there, leg wide open or something stand up, and you have to go work with that, right? And you find yourself doing things now that are leading you further and further out and out. So it's like that. And it got caught right there. She started a big argument, makes an excuse to leave, calls Brother Solomon, the same one that was rubbing her leg and she have to curb him. Him same one she called. Gone, done, wrong, right? She don't come back until after 1 a.m. in the morning. Of course, again, insecurities are heightened. Her husband just can't take it. So he has a big confrontation. Big confrontation lead to big fight. Knife draw, pushing and go on. She run. Him run after her with the knife. The man say, me scared for lose you. Me don't know what's outside. Yeah? But one thing me certain. If me stay, me I gonna die from heartbreak. Yeah? Scared for lose you. Don't know what's outside. Cause the whole of me invested in here so has been invested in here. But one thing me certain is if me stay, me I gonna die from heartbreak. And yet still me can't leave. Me don't want to stay but me can't leave. So I run after her with the knife, right? Me said, Lord, that happened. Him run upstairs, go stab her up. The man go and go watch the video. Go and go watch the video. Please click the link and watch the video. Vybz Kartel, you are the greatest. And I will talk later about the other project that he has coming up. Every song on there, the whole album is dedicated to his wife, the mother of his boys, and we're going to talk about all them things there and the other projects that he has out and how his sons are here to take over dancehall music. The new generation of dancehall definitely has stepped up and they are here. But that one, yeah, God, Jesus Christ, yo, people, click the link and watch it and then make a talk and tell me if you can relate. Vybz Kartel, Then You and Me, official short film. Shot. I'm out. Peace.